Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Gladys here. Welcome back to Gladys Dibere Living Clutter Free. Today's video is a very exciting one. We are going to talk about how to make your space look expensive on a budget. You guys love the previous one. Today is 2.0. Let's get into the video. Let's go. These tips or ideas are very practical that anyone can do it. And this is why I say it's on a budget. You can literally walk into your local store and purchase them and do it yourself. So let's get into it. Number one, guys, is wall art. You want a huge wall art that makes a statement. You want a wall art that when someone looks at it says, wow, how much did that cost? But it's on a budget. I'm going to leave several wall art that I really love from Amazon, and I have one also downstairs that I loved and you guys all loved it. That one I got from Home Goods, but I'm going to leave something that is very similar to it. A wall art makes a place feel very grand, especially you do not want those small wall art. You don't want the wall art that everyone and their mama have it at home, or the wall art that is very underwhelming, very generic. You want something that is overwhelming that can make a boring space feel powerful. So number one is wall art. Get yourself some good wall art. Thank me later. Number two, guys, is lighting. Lighting. I literally changed all the bulb lights that were over here to this beautiful shade. They're like fabric linen kind of, and I love it. When it's turned on, it looks super luxe, it looks super pretty, and I got this from Amazon. You literally switch this, it takes you 5 minutes and it transforms the space. Also amazing, guys, when I had the bulb light over there, which was the generic light fixture that came with the house, when I switched that to the chandelier that was downstairs, it literally brought the space to life. You want to make sure not only lighting up on the ceiling, but also lighting also on the table, credenza everywhere. I love me some lamps, table lamps, coffee table lamps. Yes, coffee table lamps. You know, those lamps you can touch like this, that you can put also on your dining room. They're very practical. They're beautiful. They make the space feel very warm and cozy. I just love at night turning all my lamps on, and it makes the space feel very cozy. Lamps, guys, lighting, lamps, chandelier. Also go for, if you want that cozy vibe, go for warmer light bulbs. Number three, guys, you want to get yourself a good rug. Oh my God. I have several people's houses, but most of them that I have done, I have posted here on YouTube. You can go ahead and check it out. The first thing I do when I visualize this space, when someone tells me, hey, can you help me decorate my space or whatever, is I go for a good rug. Obviously, the rug has to match the theme of the house or the color or the how do you call it, color palette you're going for. But a good rug, you can get them from Amazon, Home Goods, but you want to go ahead and get yourself a rug that will make a statement in the space. Something like that will make your space look very luxurious on a budget. And I'm going to leave a color here that is very neutral that you can go for, a little of a color here that you can also go for, but that is not neutral, but that can actually pull from different angle. So if you have blue hues, if you have gray hues, this is perfect for you. But if you want to also go for this one, which is one of my favorite, it's a neutral palette, and I love it. It's something like that I have downstairs. Love it. Number four, guys, we cannot talk about make a space feel luxurious when we have clutter. You guys know my thumbnail here, the name here on this channel is literally clutter-free living. So when you have clutter in your space, no matter how beautiful all the accessories or the rug or the lighting, everything that I have cited, no matter how beautiful they are or even how expensive or inexpensive they are, if your space is cluttered, no one will see it. So get rid of your clutter. Anything on the surfaces, anything on the floor, make sure you reduce them to literally the bare minimum. Number five, guys, curtains. Curtains make a huge difference. Now, when I had my previous curtains, they were all running like literally low, and they were like floating on the floor, and I hated it. I just needed to have someone to come and rise it up, and I got my contractor to come and bring it up, and it makes the space feel so luxe, and it just brings your eyes up. Even though the ceiling upstairs is shorter than the ceiling downstairs, you can't even tell the difference. Preferably get yourself velvet curtains. Guys, velvet curtain talks about luxury. Velvet curtains, even though it might not be expensive, it looks expensive. Velvet chairs, velvet curtains, velvet clothes. I had this beautiful velvet blazer. Every time I wore it, everyone thought I purchased it God knows where. And I got it at the thrift store, literally. It cost me less than $10 because velvet is a rich fabric. So if you want to go for something that is very luxe, try velvet. Literally also try, what is it called? Linen. Linen is very breathable around the summer and it looks luxe, you know. But linen is something you have to have height maintenance to keep up with. Especially if it's a very light linen, you have to steam it or iron it before hanging it because it's fabric, you know what I mean? So, but velvet is actually my favorite. I think you can do velvet in the summer, in the spring, in the winter. I don't mind. I do velvet year round, but depending on the color that you're using for your curtain. But velvet curtain, beautiful. Number 6, guys, candles, candles, candles. I love me candles. Not only candles, but scent. Many people have beautiful homes that don't smell very good because they haven't taken out the trash. There is food that are being spoiled and it just does not smell good. Even though no one can see it, yourself, you know it smells bad. So not only scent, but lighting up a simple, beautiful candle literally makes the space feel very luxe. A candle that is preferably in a nice vessel, you know, in an alabaster jar, something that is very creamy, that is very big. You don't want teeny, witty bit candle out there unless you're trying to create an atmosphere. But bigger candle sitting on top of a decorative book, sitting on a credenza, it makes a huge difference, you know. So, and then also it brings the scent in the house, you know, seeing the glow of the candle at night or in the afternoon. Beautiful. So candles, get yourself candles in your house and thank me later. You'll see the difference. It makes your space feel expensive on a budget. You can literally get candles from Walmart, can get those candles from Ross, Amazon, things like that. But you want a candle, like I mentioned previously, you want candles that are a little bigger instead of teeny little weeny bits. So yeah. Number 7, last but not least, guys, decorate with less. Previously, I think number 4 or so, we talked about with no clutter. But clutter doesn't mean, you know, decorating with a lot. You know, it's just clutter just looks messy. But decorate with less, guys. With the bare minimum. A lot of people have beautiful homes. It's just decorated with so much on the table. You can't even tell that there's a table there. They have literally nice couch that cannot be, no one knows that there's a couch there because it's full of pillows. It's full of different throw blanket. How could one couch have 3, 4, 5 throw blankets? One that is throw in the back of the couch, one on the left of the couch, one on the right of the couch, and one in the middle. Listen, if you need somewhere to put your throw blankets, put them in an organization bin or put them in a basket. You know, the couch is suffocating. The couch is suffocating. So less decorative. When you look at houses that look very expensive, it's just literally everything is all nice and you see a nice little bowl on the table with some greenery coming out of it. Simple, guys, simple. I hope these 7 things have helped you get some ideas of what to do. More are coming your way. Stay tuned for more videos. And if you like this video, go ahead and let me know which number was your favorite. These are practical, right? Yes, I love them. These are things that I actually do in my home and I truly love it. And I think you can make your space feel expensive on a budget, on any budget actually, if you actually follow these tips that I have mentioned in this video. God bless you guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye guys. See ya.